This is a turbomolecular pump built by Leybold, which utilizes magnetic bearings in order to create its vacuum suction. These pumps are designed to produce a near-perfect vacuum for semiconductor tools during certain manufacturing processes. The pumps are magnetically driven, meaning they rotate a rotor at 50,000 RPM within its magnetic housing to create the vacuum. This is preferred for use in the semicon industry, as it does not introduce contaminants that could cause issues in the chamber. The controller would not boot up when ERD received it, but now our test video shows the system spinning without any issue or faults. With the help of our customer, ERD has developed a full repair for these controllers, as we now have the full cable set and turbo for testing purposes. ERD will always maintain contact with customers in order to provide the best support in the business for their complex repair needs.